Hey guys, my name is Brunal and welcome to my channel Front Looks. There are lots of DIY using glycerin, but I'm not gonna show you all of these because you might be confused that which gonna try out. So I will show you 5 simple and 2 ingredient DIY to keep your skin hydrated and glowy during this winter season. So basically, what's the formula of glycerin? Glycerin is an organic compound composed by oxygen, hydrogen and carbon, and it's non-toxic, non-color and non-fragrance formula. It makes your skin glowy and hydrated because it's have water holding capacity, so it helps to regain moisture. This bottle is easily available at medical store and retail for just ₹45 with the shelf life of 2 years. So let's start to our DIYs. You can mix this with your regular face wash. As I suffer from dryness and whenever I laugh I feel like my skin is stretching, like it happens with everyone. So what you have to do is take a little amount of this face wash on your hand and add some drop of glycerin in it and wash your face regularly with this mixture. It instantly gives softness to our face. I use fresh aloe vera here, but if you have gel aloe vera from store, then you can use this. Just remove all unwanted part and wash it nicely and then remove gel like this. Here I'm not gonna separate each gel because I want to minimize my time and effort also. So I just add some glycerin on top of that lip and mixing it using my finger. Use this mixture to all over your face, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash with lukewarm water. It helps to multiply hydration level of aloe vera. Lemon contain vitamin C and using glycerin in combination with lemon may help to soften your skin and it works as a exfoliation. So what you have to do is take 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice and mix it with the same quantity of glycerin. Mix it well and apply all over your face. Leave it for 30 minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. You can apply this combination at night time also and leave it for overnight. Now fourth DIY is honey with glycerin. It's beneficial for oily and acne prone skin because honey helps to keep skin moist but not oily thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic ability. Again, take little amount of glycerin on your hand and mix it with same quantity of honey and apply all over your face. Also, it's really helpful to hydrate your lips. So don't forget to apply this on your lips. Also, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. You can use all this DIY on daily basis. It won't take much more time, yet it gives nice result. So give it a try and do let me know in comment section. Again, leave it for 30 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. For last DIY, what we need is one empty spray bottle, glycerin and your regular toner. You can take rose water as a toner also. So fill that empty spray bottle with toner and add 1 tablespoon of glycerin in it. I hope you found all these simple DIY helpful during this winter season. Make this DIY at your home and if it's were good for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now mix it well and store it in your refrigerator and spray it on your face regularly. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay hydrated in this winter season because front look matters. Bye.